Hey, hello everyone, and I welcome you all to APJ Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss the most repeated questions in NEET previous year. So, if you are preparing for NEET 2022, 2023, or 2024, it doesn't matter. These types of questions are very important for you. So, in this class, we are going to discuss about the projectile motion. And first, let me introduce the concept of projectile. So, in projectile, we have to learn only four things. And if we know these four things, we can solve any types of questions which might come in your NEET exam. The thing is very simple. You must know HRT plus equation of trajectory. So these are the four things. Equation of trajectory. So what is this h? H means the maximum height what this object may attain. So the formula for maximum height is h is equals to u square sine square theta by 2g. The value of range. So range value is u square sine theta cos theta by g, and 2 also comes here. We can also write this formula as u square sine 2 theta by g. And if you look very closely this formula, then you can say that if we have complementary angle, then range will be same. For complementary angles, the range will be same. Why? Because we know that sine 90 minus theta will get changed to cos theta, right? And cos 90 minus theta will get changed into sin theta. So this we already know. So if I'll replace this theta with 90 minus theta, nothing will get changed. The only things get changed is that sin theta will get changed into the cos theta, and cos theta get changed into the sin theta. But the complete equations remain same. So that's why we got same range for different angles when the angles are complementary to each other. That we will apply. The second part is done, and the third part is time. Time is, we have time of flight. So time of flight is 2u sine theta by g. An equation of trajectory we can find out using the equations of x-axis and equation of y-axis. So let's solve some repeated questions that you might get in your NEET exam. So let's start our journey. So first question is this. In this question, it is given that two bodies of same mass are projected with velocity at an angle of, so angle is given to you 30 degree and 60 degree respectively, okay, and the ratio of their horizontal ranges. So they are asking about the horizontal ranges, and as you know that both these angles are complementary to each other, so the range ratios will be 1:1, isn't it? Because we know that horizontal range formula is 2u square sine theta dot cos theta divided by g. So when these angles are complementary, we will get the same range, right? So we will move forward and let's move to the next question. So let's see this question. This question we are going to apply the same trick. If angles are complementary, the range will be same. So here what you need to look at is that they must be having same speed, because if the speed changes, then the answer will get changed. Please keep that in your mind. So here what we are seeing is that the speed is same and the angles are complementary, right? You are seeing that angles are complementary and the ratios of horizontal range it is asking you, and then the answer will be 1:1. Without applying any formula, anything, you can solve it instantly. So let's do this question. In this question also, two projectiles are fired from the same point with the same speed, right? So same point, same speeds are very, very important, and the angles which we use are 60 degree and 30 degree, and we know that both these angles are complementary to each other, then the ranges will be same. So wherever you are getting the range will be same, the answer will be that one. So here B option is the correct answer. So I hope that you are enjoying this trick, and if you are liking, please hit the like button and subscribe this YouTube channel and share this with your friend so that they can also solve these questions in few seconds. Let's move to the another part. Now solve this question. In this question also we are given two angles which are complementary to each other. So how do you know that these angles are complementary? You can just add these angles, and if you got 90 degree, then these angles are complementary. So we are having 45 minus theta plus 45 plus theta. So theta will get cuts down, and this will be 90 degree, right? So these angles are complementary to each other, and they are asking about the horizontal ranges. So horizontal ranges will be 1:1. So it is very easy. The option D is correct. Very easy peasy, right? And now let's solve this question. In this question, what is given to us is that a particle starting from the origin 0, 0 moves in the xy plane. Its coordinates at a later time is √3, 3. So we do not know about that whether this question is from the projectile or it's a straight line motion. But we know that if the particle is going, this is the initial position of the particle and the final position is √3, 3. So this is the final position. And what they are asking is, they are asking that what angle will it make with the x-axis. Okay, so this is very simple. If you just join these points, you'll be having a y-axis coordinate. So y-axis coordinate is 3 and the x-axis coordinate is √3, right? So if I need to find out this angle theta, then tan theta will be equals to 3 by √3, and I can cut this down and this will be √3. And we know that tan theta gives us the value √3 at 60 degree. So the answer will be 60 degree. So this question is also very, very easy, and we can solve this with very basic skills which we are currently applying in these types of questions without using the formula, actual formulas. And let's solve this question. In this question, they are asking us that what is the velocity vector at this point B, and the initial velocity was given to us at point A. The velocity is 2I plus 3j, and from projectile motion we know that the value that remains constant while the body is in projectile motion is the acceleration due to gravity. So acceleration due to gravity remains constant, right? And the second thing is the velocity component in the x direction. So that will also remain same, right? So we know that the x component will remain same 2I, and when this object reaches the point B, its only velocity vector gets changed. That will be in the y direction. So the only change which we will see is in the direction, right? Nothing will get changed, because we know that at the same point, at the same level, we will be having the same velocities. Magnitude will be same. The only thing that gets changed is the direction. So 2I minus 3j is the correct answer. Now let's solve this question. In this question, we have to find out that what is the maximum range. A missile is fired for maximum range, and for maximum range, the concept is that angle must be 45 degree. Why? Because we know that the range is u square sine 2 theta divided by g, and to get the maximum range, this sine theta must be equals to 1, and this must be 1 when angle is 45 degree. So R max is u square by g. So this is the formula of R max, and I request you that please learn this formula directly if you got this type of questions. Now just we have to do is, we have to replace the value 20 into 20 divided by 10. So we will get 40 meter. So this is our answer. 40 meter is our answer. The question is very simple, and this was asked in NEET 2013. So this is very recent questions which we are currently doing. So that's all in this video. And if you haven't subscribed this YouTube channel, please subscribe this YouTube channel, because we are providing free classes regularly on this YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell icon as well. And currently one enormous discount is going on APJ Academy, that now you can get the access of our course, which was earlier priced at 3990. For 1 month you can get the course at rupees 490 only. So only few days left to get this opportunity. Please hit the like button, and to know more about this, please check the description below, so that you won't miss this offer 490, because this offer won't come back. So let's meet in next class, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Bye bye.